You searched how to buy shares of Enerpac Tool Group Corp. Enerpac is an industrial tools and heavy lifting equipment firm listed on NASDAQ with ticker EPAC, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EPAC. Select the matching Enerpac Tool Group Corp listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads EPAC. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After confirmation, the position will appear in your portfolio. For more details and the broker link, check the description below.